Whether your drink is staring at you from the coffee table, balancing nervously on the sofa arm, or waiting to be knocked over on the floor, we have the perfect solution for you. Couch Coaster, the ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Its sleek body wraps over the arm of your couch and holds all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. With an integrated mug handle slot and handy adapter, it makes light work of holding mugs, tumblers, bottles and cans. Couch Coaster's secret is its weighted non-slip silicone body, which provides optimum support for your drink over different shapes and sizes of arms on your fabric or leather suite. Couch Coaster's sleek design looks great on any armchair and comes in a variety of colors for the perfect match in your own living room. So, whether you're watching your favorite show, reading your favorite book, or enjoying a casual dinner, Couch Coaster is great for the whole family.
Imagine cooking without the mess, with less dishes and fewer contraptions. Cooking doesn't have to be so tedious, painful, and sloppy. We are excited to introduce to you an insanely helpful cutting board that can exceed all your cooking needs. We have designed a cutting board that is simply better than the rest. There is a large opening to efficiently slide food into, which eliminates messy countertops. Food falls directly into one of the 4 plastic trays, eliminating prep dishes. 4 plastic trays fit snugly inside the cutting board, reducing space. Trays are stackable and come with lids, ideal for storing food. Equipped with 4 different types of slicers to assist in cutting food, veggies. Slicers fit firmly on cutting board to assure safe cutting of produces. If that wasn't enough, we added features such as juice grooves, indented handles, smooth round edges, and rubber bumpers to lock cutting board in place. Made of 100% natural bamboo and eco-friendly.